Okay, everyone, now that we have the broker account set up and the ECN account set up, and again, this was just for Hanko Trade. You can use whichever account you'd like. Just make sure that you email us to let us know which account, which broker you would like to use, and also so that we can confirm that our software works correctly with that broker account. So what I'm going to do now is show you how to load up a broker account. And again, they are all very similar, and I am going to use Hanko Trade for ease of use. Not making any recommendations, just showing you what I use. So in this particular example, let me share my screen again. Okay, so here's that dashboard that we were just on just a minute ago. And you're going to go to deposit, and you're going to select which account, and that's the one that was just opened up a few minutes ago, and we sent in the information to AlgoZone.ai, which was an MT4 account, and the number was 205-11012. You're going to make sure you click on that. Okay, so here is your current balance, which there's nothing in there right now. You're going to make sure whichever currency you select. Now, I always like to use USDC or a stable coin, and there are plenty of ways to on-ramp and off-ramp. I use multiple on-ramps and multiple off-ramps so that if one goes down in the process, or if the off-ramp or on-ramp gets places a hold on something, not the entire amount is held or placed on hold. It's just a good rule of thumb to live by. So in this case, let's just use USDC ERC20 on the ETH network. So proceed. Okay, so here is your cryptocurrency wallet address on the USDC ERC20 network, or the ETH network. And it's this right here. So you're going to copy that, place it into your whichever wallet you're using, your Ngrave wallet, your MetaMask wallet, your Exodus wallet, whatever wallet that you are using. You're going to copy and you're going to paste that, and you're going to send it the desired amount to this address, and it's going to automatically track it. So if you have any questions, let us know. We're here to help, and just like we said, we can answer emails from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, and this is to make this as passive as possible. And as soon as those funds are loaded up, send us an email saying I have my account ready, and for the silver or the bronze or the gold package or whatever package it is, just let us know, and we will start that account and make sure that everything is running correctly. And again, if you guys have any questions at all, please let me know. You guys have a wonderful day.